करो बाकी नहीं चल रहा है क्यों चालू कर दिया
Very explaining mother. Maybe a person look like very. We can introduce that procedure. It's a trained dog. So in case of any unwanted items are there, this trained dog will sense and detect. Remember, it is not your pet dog. Don't go and pamper him. Don't do like that. So you come and literally bite. So very careful. But the trained dog, please appreciate your trainer and the dog. Please appreciate them. Very good. Thank you. Thank you.
ट्रेनर है
In the Manipal hospital, so there trained people are there, and this is ICU on the ambulance. In case of any emergency, all the treatment you can start from the ambulance itself. This is your team, so please appreciate your team. One for the thighs, one for the chest, one for the head. Use all the safety belts, and through the staircase we can use the stair. Watch here, you can come near the steps. A single person can be operating. 180 kg can be stand, and come near the staircase. And feel the chair 45 degree angle. Watch here. Feel the chair 45 degree angle. Feel up the steps. Watch here. Very easily. When this bound chair unable to walk, you through the staircase you can come out of the building.
Oh, very
So
nice.
these all devices are available in your floor. And some of the clients they have all the access in chair. In case they get a seat. Now here we can make a seated person a little more happy. Watch here whether they going to listen or not.
शायद नहीं है
So you can lift anyone and they will respond for you. Thank you, team. So remember, don't chop my throat. Panicking you like that. Then what will happen? The rescuer will go first. Ask him don't chop my panicking you like that. Ask him to don't chop my throat and you can come out. But this technique not suitable for everybody. Especially so please practice technique. You can do put the leg inside and you can lock the mouth. Remember, put the leg inside, lock. Until you don't put it inside. Put the leg inside and lock. Now we are going to show a small demonstration. How we can use the chair, how we can go to the ambulance. So my colleague is going to act as an unconscious person. I need 4 volunteers to give the step. Any 4 volunteers?
चलो यार मैं वीडियो कर लेता हूँ
Any 4
जब फोर
volunteers?
तुम एक नहीं जाएगा फिर नहीं भेजना है वही तो थोड़ा उतना
तू जा
मोटा रहना है छोटा भी हो गया
Ready? 1, 2, 3, lift. Here. So remember, by lifting time, one person will be count and the elbow should be straight. Once here, everybody's elbow should be straight. Now while vacuuming time, always leg will go front. Staircase, leg will go front. But when you shift into ambulance, remember, head will go into the ambulance. So you will vacuum and it's yeah, slowly come down, very slowly, don't rush. Slowly come, very slowly. Slowly go. Go to ambulance. Yeah. Take your hands, go to ambulance.
हंदा लगा मुर्गी से
Make sure head is going front. Breathe. You can control the body. Never take the passing the breath from the heart to breathe. Now, what doctor will do? Doctor will give an electrical shock. In this building, we have very beautiful machine. This is called AED, automatic external defibrillator. Using this machine, you can give the electrical shock. You can save a person's life. Then what you can do? There is one pad is available. This partial pad, clear spectaculum is there, great to attach. One pad will attach right side below the collarbone. Second pad will attach left side below the rest area, rib area. There is a clear spectaculum is given. You can see the pictogram, you can attach. Once you attach on the machine can talk to you.
Remove clothes from patient's chest.
You did get a probe. Machine will talk to you and machine you can see a metal piece here. Never try to touch on the metal piece because CO2 is stored in minus temperature. Brain injury will happen not because of heat, because of cold also. So this area extremely cold. So never try to touch this area. This hand is given. So hold your hand inside the handle and there is a safety pin. Put the safety pin to its upright and turn the wheel anti-clockwise. Let go back. Please move it. Now turn the wheel anti-clockwise. That was huge noise. Now watch here, they're going to be creating a small fire here. When you fight your outside, always remember wind direction. I cannot tell from left side, from right side, or front or back. You decide which side you are going to fight. Depending about the wind direction. Watch here, they're going to be creating a small fire. If smoke is coming, please go backside. If smoke is coming left, please go backside. Set the fire. And distance we can take 3 or 4 feet distance. Support your right leg. Aim to base of the fire. Open. Slowly open. Very good. Team, are you ready? I would like to use every
हमारा शिक्षा बढ़िया
सलमान कर रहे हो उधर उसको
चलो भैया थोड़ा आगे से हटो
विमल खा रहे हो
small reminder. Kindly support ID card. Why don't we do the ID cards? Because of waiting time, ID card can catch. Set fire. Ready?